Hey, it's Nanevsky, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Seasons Change. It's such a beautiful song that by United Pursuit, and this is probably going to be the easiest tutorial you've ever seen. I'm not going to go into too much detail of how to improvise because the original keyboard player is just, wow, is amazing, and it's really hard to fully imitate that. But I'll kind of show you the notes that I feel like he's using. And one thing to keep in mind is that this song is in the key of D, and a lot of soloing will happen if you just keep your right hand on that D. You can sort of improvise and just keep your hand there. So any of these notes, you can kind of like insert and make it sound pretty. You can just, So I'm not really going to do that a lot in this tutorial, but that's just to make it easier for you. I feel like at the very beginning, it almost sounds like, they're playing these notes. Wait, it's like, anyway, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it up to you guys if you want to improvise. I'm just going to do this simple tutorial, and the chords for the introduction are G and then an A, and then a G and an A. And those are the chords for the entire verse. It's really easy. I mean, can't get any more easy than this. So you got the G. Music changes. I'm gonna play it below here, down. Songs we sing, G. We still lift our praises, A, to our loving God and King. So you got the G here. Right? You can just add some notes. Though the music changes, the songs we sing, we still lift our praises to our loving God and King. Got your A again. Remember, it's just been G and A till now. G and then A. And then you go into first chorus, which is really short. Though the seasons change. That was a G and an A. And then you go into the third chord, which is a D. Your love remains. Back to G. Your love remains. And then you have an A. So basically G and A. And then you go into verse 2, which is the same thing. You got your G, A through the entire verse. And what happens is for the second chorus, you're going to end the verse. So, faithful to always in your reign. This is G, and then an A. And for the second chorus, you go into a D right away. Though the seasons change, and you have an A, and then you go back to D. Your love remains, and then a G. Your love remains, and then D again. Though the seasons changed, A, then you go back to D. Again, to keep those like high, beautiful notes, you can keep your right hand here while doing like major arpeggios or flowy style, just to keep this side of the sound loud. That way you can kind of keep your hand here. Just kind of, to keep that like original vibe of the song. It's so pretty. And then, once you're done with that loud chorus, you can kind of end it off with that G. Your love remains. Your love remains. You can kind of stick to that G for a while. Oops. And then you can kind of go into that chorus again with the D. Oh, the seasons change. Your love remains. Your love remains. So literally keeping your right hand on that D. And then you get really quiet again and you can play the outro. We were far apart. So you saw that D and then an A and back to D. Can't run with open arms. Then you have a G. I'm playing an inverted G. Okay. When we were far apart, you can't run with open arms. And the song kind of ends like that. Such a beautiful song. And if you want to see how I covered this song, go ahead and watch it by clicking on that video. I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.